Hey everybody, I'm back again from my broken back dilemma. My back is feeling better, stretching it out, still feel sore, but I felt alright enough to curl my hair. I did it before the video. As you can see, I just did like a regular roller kind of wrap with the curling iron. I just did everything down, did the top back. Now I'm gonna just separate it, comb it, show you guys what it's like brushing it out. Hope everyone is having a great week. It's my day off. I think I'm on my 60th day of videos. Going strong. Just doing a little bit of back combing on that root so when I brush it, it'll be big pageant hair, you know? So we'll just brush through it. Yes, you can brush through your curls. You don't have to leave it Shirley Temple looking. I might need to go to the other side so I can get a little bit of lift. You know, I like big hair. And sometimes if you just redirect the way that your hair usually goes, then you'll get something great. Ooh, look at that bang. Bang, bang into the room. You get that Hollywood hair, right? And everyone wants the Hollywood hair. It's basically a shampoo set brushed out. You just kind of finger comb it, set it the way you want it. You just want those curls to lay down and nice. Then of course, once you get it set the way you like it, freeze and shine. And there you go, a different way to wear your hair curled. You can back comb it. You know, I like to back comb it. I don't mind the big fluff curls. See, look at that volume. See what the volume does? I'm telling you, ladies. Some volume in our lives, right? Better. So that piece is crazy. And there you go. Nice, fabulous curled hair for my day off. And then tomorrow we'll probably updo it. because that's how we do it, right? Thank you for watching another day of my 365 days of hair. We are on day 60. We're going to keep this thing going. 305 more days to go. All right. Bye-bye.